Hello friends, we are coming up on the season very quickly with Thanksgiving and Christmas, where collard greens are an absolute must. But I want to tell you, our farm got hit with a doggone fungus and we lost some collard greens. I've still got some. The orders that are already in, you are as good as filled, but anything over the top, maybe not for Thanksgiving. I got a whole bunch of new plans for Christmas. Anyway, here's the deal. We have done some intensive research and found that if you still need your collard greens for Thanksgiving or for Christmas, and there's not enough, you can supplement them with any kind of kale, but it's highly recommended that you supplement them with Russian kale, sweet Russian, or with the blue curly, which we always have lots of. I've got lots of both of these. Now, the only key is, and you can find this out online or anywhere else, typically if you're going to be cooking your collard greens for, and there's some collards here. If you're cooking your collards for 45 minutes, you only put in the kale, whatever kind of kale substitute, you put it in for 15 or 20 minutes. So make sure you've already got your 20-25 minutes cooked and then add the kale, and it will be delicious and amazing, and it's a great substitute, and no one will be mad. Everyone will be happy because you're officially serving your greens. I wanted to give you that information, a heads up before Thanksgiving. Get your orders in. At this time, if you order 10 pounds of collards, you're going to get 5 collards and 5 of one of the other kales. Okay, so I apologize, but that is growing in Panama in greenhouse with all of the crazy seasons and the crazy rain we've been having. Okay, have fun with that, and if you need an actual recipe, I've got all that. You might check below where this video is posted for recipes or more instructions. Thank you from Global Food Providers.